If you go to products, there you can see all the products we published. When you click on a star, it means it will be featured. Now let's say you will add a new product, so just first duplicate it. Put the product name here. Let's say if it's only yellow emitted, click on edit on this, Ctrl A, Ctrl B. Okay, so it will make the new URL for this product. Simply change the specifications and whatever needed. Fifth dimension. Okay, then click on save. Now you see this is the categories to choose. All categories shown here, so you can choose related category from here. This one by default choose umbrella stone because this product from Popit, the previous one, and that had this category chosen. Simply we can change to any category. We can choose multiple as well. So choose the related category from here. Then product picture. This picture will be shown as main picture of the product. So click on it, upload from your computer, or if you have already uploaded, let's say I'm about to choose this one, set product picture. It's been set. Now you see the product gallery. We can remove the old ones here. Click on add product gallery images. Now you can choose multiple. Let's say I choose this 4. This 4 is here. Regular price you can make as you need. Let's say 15. Now about the size. Let me show. If you check this one, this is the size info, but I can see here has no option to choose which size you want to choose, or it's not showing because the product set as simple product. If you make it variable product, then the variations will be shown there. I can see no variation here, so the size is not showing. So leave it as it was. I'm explaining here. So here we have 2 sizes. I am choosing variable product, and I need to add variations. For this I need to create variations from all attributes. Let me show you another thing. On attributes, how do you make it? We can add more. You see this one is size, a small and medium. We can add large as well. Large. The size will be here. yeah, whatever. Save attributes. Now if you go to variations, there we can add all the variations. 3 variations added. This 3 is from the attributes. So for the small, we can choose product picture, price. It can be regular price and sell price as well. So if we make it 20 and then 15, so 15 will be sell price and regular price is 15. By the same way, for medium we can choose a product. It can be 25. You will put the price you have for this. I'm just putting different pictures here, so you need to put correct picture for these areas. It can be between 30 and sell price 25. Now save changes. Publish. If you view now, you see selling price 25 to 15 to 25, and this is the size to choose. If you choose a small, it's the small picture, choose medium, large. Okay. The price will be sent here. Small is 15, medium is 20, large is 25. So that's all. You need to change product name, product URL from here, name from here, product contents. This contains a specification, 5 dimensional plus energy. I show you where to change this. Then additional info on this one. Size options here. Now if you add to cart this, it's taking to cart page. Let's say see that cart. Now we have option to check out, but as we didn't put any payment method, so payment option is not showing here. Only cash upon delivery is here, cash on delivery. So as we put some payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe, then that option will be shown here to pay. I think for the products to add, you have the answer from here now. Thank you.